constituency of the constituency Wilson for coming. We want to thank Kate Amosa, the deputy youth of the constituency. We want to also thank
Odan CTC TV. The American Biano Fanisa. Odan for Najatum. Tell party. What I say, Wajatum. Tell party. Party Ajatum. Odan for Timudi. Monti Tum. City TV. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place, Michel. Blaster place. Ghana local place. All will be a City TV. City na. Keko. Boa.
in the person of Honorable Dr. Prez Mahama Fulfils, into our country, being led by the MC of the constituency in the person of Honorable Seth Saba Nobody. It's so Mumbose. At this point,
إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا وسلموا على سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Amen. I would like to say we are happy to have in the mix quite a number of people with us. And the best friend said,
the regional coordinator aka ekasana ewo honi nyina mema medie ejinani amamie no so se yebema ye libeko ifidie ne ho bibie ni wa ye free ade bia ye free bia na e wo se hu se obi edi kan etua hoka na ye de ma ye free na emrepi no niama ye nya ne free na ye ma ye ni nko ho ye hu se o ese ya especially survive woman abai ade bi beba abai de bi beba de ba wonim se every year bia na e wo se ye ma afoforo kwan no mo so mo beka ho time a ye bai na ye yi ni ama no ye nkrofo ne be ben me sema na mo kan se time a ye registration omo ante omo te ya nka omo so mo beka ho na me mo makoma se omo nya abotere omo je omo niama na enene eye omo year registration last year because it was the start of the program now processes now also but this time the lay framework made that it is subsequent registration there will be other consultant until this year the best afane for so you can imagine say share we ne so ye na e was say every year there na nka ye be fa other batch there ba no na yɛde bɛyɛ wie a na kyerɛ sɛ yɛrebɔ ɔman no ho ban ɛno so mboa yɛn. We as a government, the NDC government no yakoma ɛwɔ adesua ho. Yɛka adesua, it's not only the classroom learning but then also any other empowerment a form of livelihood and income at the brain. So I first of all want to say congratulations to all the beneficiaries ɛwɔ ha sei. Na yɛakɔhyɛ mo sɛ monhwɛ so yie. Mowie a there was one key thing your regional coordinator kaeɛ a ɛduru hɔ no ɔde kɔ Aborɔfo mu. Ɔsɛ wo sɛ ɔbɛhyɛ ase no ɔsɛ ɔbɛkɛtwi. Bɛduru saa hɔ no na ɔde akɔ Aborɔfo mu. Ɛyɛ ebi a wasubmit data sɛ nipa 20 ɛna madam wɔregye ɔmo. Yɛbɛba monitoring and evaluation no na akɔyɛ nipa 3. Na kyerɛ sɛ ɛka a yɛrebɔ nneɛma a yɛde awɔ nyinaa na wode afa baabi no ɛno no mmara no de wo bɛdi. Na yɛmpɛ ne saa. The motive is not to go on that tangent. The motive of this is to make sure say by the end of the first 4 years no na ndɔm bebree no yɛaboa ɔmo ɛma ɔmo nya ɔmo nsa ano adwuma. Ɔmo graduate so a yɛaboa ɔmo na yɛ establish ɔmo sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛde nnwuma bebree bɛyɛ dɛn ɛbɛba kurom. Ɛsrɛ mo momma mo ani nkɔ ho. Let's develop right attitude towards this. Sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a program no bɛyɛ dɛn ɛbɛyɛ successful. Yeah, so yɛbɛba round ne yɛabɛhwɛ the way esi kɔ. And any challenge we ever in the course of the training, will provide the needed leadership and assistance, at the amount. Yamin sure we be Yadamasi.
You, don't want some away. Meaning, sir, in car, I'm not paid yet. Rebecca said there will be so much excitement in the air. In Keniche, Nankamudi and Niche and one Yaman Namu Hassan because and see that. And I'm working be done now. When you be done now, and not any J. Me when it's not necessary man and one. Mamma, yes, sir, Mamma, yes. Again, see, Rebecca said this is so much unprecedented. That's just said, a BNC, our Ghana. It's our say, my niche. Now, young Shwa, Yatati Hasia, yeah, beneficiaries. No, I was say, they say, program a year rolling out, and then you are the first beneficiaries. It's a more show the Bagua, I can't share when you said, a buying be a year NDC governments a buyer. You may be over a car on campaign time, no, Omudi so now walk for what's nothing. Wo adwa, wo amma, wo gifti, wo mansa, wo shu unyebi, wo kobi, unhuye, and out the age, one somehow. It's our stand on all previously existed protocols. Yabuko dini bebre. And then ye she. In fact, I was a quite nice condition, and I'm a wa. Na ye did the see, but ye shower him, Kasoa overhead, I say. Ye share our under bridge because who ye be when said there is a bridge between everything. Now say who ye be na bridge in you sa a point na walk on which me enter. Ye very said that I can see our car way home. Not bridge in this one, how will you be able to cross to the next step? Now sa bridge no the National Youth Authority yeah buying NDC buying at the Abreye Ghana has said. So the National Youth Authority is a bridge for embedding na say almost adia osi apine adia acquired bridge enunti omuntumi enhia ejuma enunti nyeme bi edom we ne so omuntumi enye no. NDC applying has brought the National Youth Authority to serve as a bridge. A back close sister again. Now one show a Juma Mokasamo Yano. Wait me aye. Mental Profana. I'm trying. It's the way I make I say yes, in fear baby aba. Now in fear na a tremono. Ye won't way be that. It's more about na mwaba NDC and so abaso. Meaning say you can't 24-hour economy in one sem. Now, mo bebre amote ha say no. You be say now His Excellency, ya papa, John Dramani Mahama, the 24-hour economy na de bia oka ho na sem no. Ana proposed bold vision na de bia ye bo hu dwero no. Menso amete ha say no. Menso me a tailor. Menso me a carpenter. Menso me a hairdresser. Menso me a beautician. Menso me die e wo mu say. I know say mo bebre na NTS, but wait a say. And now National Youth Authority any mo abeshia moye mu training ewie no na no kire say you are enabled say round the clock no ubetumi aye ejuma because nyama ye de ema mo ye ka say ye de ma na ebo 5 ya Virginia man and I ebo 4 o'clock ya Virginia man ye say ye de ma never ye ejuma na 24 hours piano and then the one na me top program na program me area ahomachi 12 meaning say who equipment ahomachi 12 me frewa who betumi e dia be ye eduma ma me ana enya sa it o say who say nyama na eba no won so a wote ha say 24-hour economy na me program na matari ate na area ahomachi me frewa wo pama na before make a punyana, before making a punyana, it is 24-hour economy, moving to and a buy a bell summer 24-hour economy. Yeah, Cassie. You say we need to be accountable to our people. Yama bebre what I was said. Yeah, yanum, yabusianum, ya dafono, our youth, we need to be accountable to you. It's you what I say in 24 I what I say in no. Omo de omani e di mochi. So me so mo de omani e di mochi and I just say omo one time. Ejuma mo ba be ye. So omo one time and I just say omo one time okeke. They want to omo ka say omo ye guidance and counseling emamo. Obi mo ho o de no ba ko change me. Wasati wa ye training. But a fear at 70 and no car, it's not uncle, and no car, it's not uncle. It's if you phone at her say no. By yes, someone a trainer. Obe who said, I draw a year on time for a juma. Yanko train no. Now maybe be a wolf ye, the baby a wolf ye, and now problem can create a wolf ye to member. Sammy penny phone of a no mass solve it, problem. No. Aside that, no. Yeah, the young now, we have put in all our best. We have mobilized everything to even making sure, say, the training program. The way our director can say 4 years no. The training program will be there ever has to come up. It's a mess shamu. So we are apprentices, we are madam. Make sure, say, a juma na uka question, a juma na uka koyeno. So instead of giving to you fish, no, it can add ye bet to me a framo. Nia mamusika. Say, oh, sikay, fakachu ejumem, ana sikay, fakachu brodobi, neti, ana bibi, achina so akome de wa, na wasamba, but there be, ya say, ya mamu, and name mamu rio. Na ever we are bet show, the real wild people show na no, no one can take nam no, na we would not be here, the bia we dam no, na one shoe. Where is this opportunity? No, I share a good ever said there be remember I am a mo. Was your mamma no media by a share me said that we are making no and I'm very sure a BH me no amano a show so we are teaching our youth how to fish. We are not giving them fishes to eat. Now your bremo machines, your bremo hair dryers, your bremo nyama bebre, mode beye juma, ahomane adiade. Inano, it is because of the good leadership. You work our Ghana, the good leadership. You work our Kasoa. Benjamin can say on authority say the whole of Ghana, Kasoa has say, and I yet the first place the whole Ghana, Obia Enyane. Nyama or the Pako Yechuma. apprentices no masters. It's a move on Sema Momo like say, Emma Papa, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana, move over swat, no more will be, am I your boss, Osman Ayariga, the NYA director. Yeah, the Yamana bro. And you would just say, watching Yamano, now they are not sniffy. Madams, and now just say, watching Yamano, no call lock you on it. Debbie, yes, if I Yamano at Shankolanade. Now, what you want, we want to eschew that discipline. Yes, I am Kolana Brew, and you're the campaign and our trouble. All trouble discipline. All trouble that we are any public communication. Because a Jumano, it doesn't go just one way. You cannot only say we are any Pakasa customers, or share customers that all no customers. The we are there, the we are even organization, the we are to be higher profits. The we are aside the sewing, aside the makeup. Aside the hairdressing, na your better treaty, na your blooming, na your saying, they are selling face ethics. I was set masters, and so what's to me extra bon color. It's a year that said, as it's a saying, you be a fine ama. Oh, your master, oh, your apprentice, what's a hasia? You be a fine ama, now, kindly sure you be a man, and your fine catch one. This is a very big opportunity. This is a very big door. What you need to do is you need to be resilient. Resilient in training a day. Obviously, you need to be resilient. And I was saying, who said you are not working alone. And you have one now. Only ye nan and now. If you are not ocean, and you won't go on ocean. Ye na ye do this. So won't thread it, needle, none needle, nimpo. So say, and you won't go needle, ye na, ya woman, then funny do. So we are working this part with you. Under the NDC administration, industrialization and the youth empowerment will not be a slogan. It's a very way, set a Jumaya, Nanyamaya, and your slogan. Now, so, and no more, no. As I dedicate to last this year from next 2 years from my derby. A better continuous effort. Yeah, better. Now you to me a training, you be free. And to say your masters. We are your mamma, we are your papa, Yamo Yano, and I am Colani edition. It is a say, no, what for your teacher? What for your headmaster? What for your headmistress? I was say, well, the lifestyle must change. Because here, monitor Colani progress. I monitor the progress of the work. Now, you monitor masters. And then, madam, so show account. It is all your master. Now, the customers can start off for so we start now training so maybe you know on the customers that can start off for. So to the masters and madams. And the other thing is to say, Yenyama Yede Air Bremono, the boss Akasa, or say it is for the institution. It's a young be individual, Gia. No, we are never come on swag. You bet Bremon Yama to set up your own business. And I guess, so you bet Bremon Yama to set up your own business. Once now, my obi and friend and can't shall say. Men are meeting with Dean for you and Yamana Koryoo and your work. And you're not ever bench, baby. Men's now, and for being said, men are a sanity would didn't make sure that to watch Yaman and a problem never found what to fear. Police, the barber, show. Yamano would deem every other corner. Would deem every other Yaman, and I would deem most of the Yamana bro. See, I am monitoring, so I am bound. Yeah, my information, so why I am monitoring. And so your parents remember one man sat anymore. Now, Madame Sandra, I trust her. Mansa, I will do anymore. Madame Sandra, you bet you. Now, Mansa, and she a professional, yeah, actually. And then, yes, sir. It's no more beyond that down. Say, oh, Yamano, head dry idea. What the bar? Men are made you didn't call, and see, what they are confused. Head dry idea, and yes, sir. It is for you. Kako ye chumano. Neshe Ghana enyonyam. Na wonsu bia. Wonsu ba ye master. And now madam. Now wonsu we training ukoko bebre. Madam I say thank you and God bless you.
Honorable Cameron just said, "Consider what I saw, which you know, you know, about the equipment. That's what I said." And Honorable Sasso said, "Yeah, you actually, the people also here, Master Craftsman, you know, there, Apprentices, yeah, check Apprentices, you know, that's true." So, and I sound as a wire boy. So join me here. Honorable representation for them. Sandras, Mr. Honorable, you hand over. This is our garment making. What I'm going to make. Take any of them. Just the interpretation. Miss Ramo, Miss Ramo, the entire day. Kakaka, the trouble to Munya will tremor. First presentation to the garment sector. To the garment sector. Thank you very much. Then Esther Tiga, yes, to join us here. There's the hairdresser. Hairdresser. So when you want a head dryer, and when your presentation, you want a head dryer. Head dryer, I need these pictures in Tibocho. Immediately after the program, let me have my pictures. Thank you very much. All right. And thank you very much, Honorable Member of Parliament. Wow. And Dami. Want to thank the CEO, the original coordinator of the National Apprenticeship Program, Honorable Ebenezer Essien. We want to thank the Deputy Communication of the constituency, Kofi Wilson, for coming. We want to thank Kate Amosa, the Deputy Youth of the constituency. We want to also thank